सिद्धक्रिया बाबाजी नमः ओम सिद्धक्रिया बाबाजी नमः
Welcome to Himalaya Siddha Kriya Yoga. We think of sadhana. When we think of sadhana, sometimes we think of Kundalini. What is Kundalini? What is Kundalini sadhana? We get doubts. We get some curiosity, inquiry. Yes, now I want to give you some information which I am following about that. Some information I want to give you. It may be useful for you to do Kundalini sadhana. So Kundalini sadhana, main part is pranayama, swas, breath, breathing process. Another important part is mantra yoga. Also we have to connect mantra. Mantra means it is combination of bija letters. So in this Kundalini means Shakti. We are connecting with Shakti. Already we are Shakti, but we are not knowing our real Shakti, root Shakti. So to know it and to realize this sadhana, otherwise not necessary. If you start knowing yourself, actually these are techniques are just when you are unable to realize, you are not able to work. So some techniques, some steps. So these chakras, through chakras only we can. Chakra means energy centers in our total body. Yes, energy centers. From Mooladhara to Sahasrara, 7 energy centers, they told. Rishis, Munis, Yogis. So these energy centers in us, inside, but they are not physical. You cannot know them physically. You cannot scan them through machines. So we have to do some sadhana, some system. One system you have to follow. Here I want to tell you about mantra, bijaksharas connected with energy centers, our chakras. Yes, I want to tell that. So at every chakra there is a power. So to tap that power, we have to chant some bijaksharas. We have to remember, we have to feel that element, Panchabhutamka, Panchabhut, Panchatattva. So at every energy center chakra, there is a tattva, one tattva. And some color, one color is there. If you remember that color, if you keep focus on that color, through that color if you chant Bijakshara, then you will connect with that and make it, balance it. You can balance them, that chakra, particular chakra. Now let us try to know what Bij letters at which chakra, that let us see now. At Mooladhara chakra, there you have to feel this earth there, and color is red color. There some bijakshas. What bijakshas we have to chant at that Mooladhara? Let us see. Aim, Hrim, Srim, Sam, Hamsa. Aim, Hrim, Srim, Sam, Hamsa. Here earth, tattva, and red color. Now let us go to second chakra, Swadhisthana chakra. Here Bijakshara is Aim, Hrim, Srim, Ka, Soham. Aim, Hrim, Srim, Ka, Soham. Here water element. Color is orange. Yes, orange color here. And third, Manipura Chakra. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Vam, Hum, Sassoham. Very powerful Bijaksharas, Bija letters. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Vam, Hum, Sassoham. Here, fire element and yellow color. And fourth one, it is very less people follow, Kalpavruksha, which gives you everything. One tree, Kalpavruksha. It will be its center is on your spine cord, center of spine. This Kalpavruksha will be there. Here you have to remember Ganapati with 5 faces, Panchamukha Ganapati. And Bijakshara, chanting Bijakshara is Gam Bijakshara, Gam, like that. And Anahata Chakra, that is Hriday Chakra, Heart Chakra. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Sem, Hum, Sasivassoham. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Sem, Hum, Sasivassoham. These Bij letters we have to chant. Here, green, full green, bright green, and air element. Here, element. And Vishuddhi, throat chakra. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Ram, Soham, Hum, Sasivam. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Ram, Soham, Hum, Sasivam. These Bijaksharas we have to chant. Here, sky element and blue. Yes, blue color here. Next, Agnya Chakra, third eye point. Here, Bijakshar. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Ham, Hum, Sasivassoham, Soham. Aim, Hreem, Sreem, Ham, Hum, Sasivassoham, Soham. Yes. It is now 5 elements over. Here, Tattva is Mano Tattva, your inner, total, your inner status. Yes, indigo color you have to remember and meditate. And Sahasrara, crown chakra, final, top, your totality, where from you will connect with existence, God or universe or something. So here Bijakshara is chanting Bija is only Om, Akara, Ukara, Makara, Eum, Akara, Ukara, Makara, Shabd Om. Continuously, if you chant Om like that, so you will get connectivity and you will develop all the tattvas, total universal tattva. That is Paramatma tattva, that is Paramatma, nothing else. From there you can connect with Paramatma, Paramatma, ultimate soul. This is Antaratma, Jivatma outside, Antaratma our inside. If you start through Antaratma, if you start do sadhana like this, one by one chakra sadhana, Bijakshar, Mantra Yoga, Tantra Yoga, anything, you will connect with Paramatma, yes, like that. So here all colors will come. They will be coming, need not every color, all tattva, totality you can experience at this chakra, crown chakra. This way we have to, if you use Bijas, if you follow Bija letters and chant that Bija letters at that particular point, chakra, energy center inside you, you have to keep focus there, everywhere. So when you do this mantra yoga sadhana, combining with chakra sadhana, that is Kundalini, to know the Shakti, total Shakti, each center there is a Shakti. When you do sadhana, all total oneness, one Shakti, by combining all afterwards through pranayama, through swasa, breathing process, if you connect one Shakti, only one, no two in this world. Yes, Vishwashakti, Vishwamata. Yes, that way we have to realize this is one information, one kind of facility. Mantra Yoga also, one concept can be applied in Chakra Sadhana. Thank you. All the best. Happy